kid! Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Let's learn something different. So, let's start it. A. Match with letter A. B. B. C. C. D. D. Very good. We will match the letter, small letter with the capital letter here. E to H. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. Very good. Now next letters are I, J, K, L. We will match here small letter with the capital letter I to L. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. Very nice. Now next letters are M, N, O, P. So we will match here small letter M to P with the capital letter N to P. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Excellent. Q. R. S. T. Match here Q to T with the capital letter Q to T. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. Wonderful. Next letters are U, V, W, X. U. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Very good. Now next letters are Y and Z. Match these letters. Y. Y. Z. Z. Wonderful job, kids. See you in the next class. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.